Hi friends, I am Adish and today I am going to talk with you with a very interesting subject about galaxies and constellations. So let's start it. As we all know, we have seen that there are many constellations in the sky, but that doesn't mean that all the stars consist or come in these constellations. There are many stars which are different and we can say alone, which are in going through their path and with their solar system. So let's start up, our space talks and let's start it. Friends, now we are going to talk first our first star, that is Alpha Centauri. It is very good star and it is very bright as well as very big star as compared to the sun. It is 20 times larger than the sun and it is nearest star to the earth as well as to the sun. Earth is a very good planet and on which we live, and nearest star to the earth is the sun, and second nearest star to the earth is Proxima Centauri, which lie in the Alpha Centauri. Three stars. The Alpha Centauri consists of three stars. First is Alpha Centauri A, Alpha B, and Proxima Centauri, which is a third, and we also call it Alpha AB. And now let's start about Alpha Centauri. It is Alpha Centauri has three stars, which is two are big, and third is dwarf, which is very low gravitational force, and that is Proxima Centauri. But it is nearest star, second nearest star to the Earth. Alpha Centauri is 4.37 light years away from this Earth as well as Sun, because between the Earth and the Sun, it lies between the middle distance of it. So this is all about the Alpha Centauri. Now we will start about the Proxima Centauri, which is of the third binary red dwarf star. We can also say it is very red dwarf, means it's very low and it's bigger than the Sun, but is very small in size and very short in perimeter between diameter of the Sun as well as the Earth. So Proxima Centauri is the third binary star of the Alpha Centauri, as I talked before. Now let's switch to the next star, which is Wolf 359. So I told about Wolf 359. This star is third nearest star from the Earth and second nearest star from the Sun. As we know it is 7.8 light years away from the Earth as well as Sun. This star comes in the constellation known as Leo, and this star is a bit binary star and yellow star, which is same as the size of the Sun, and this star also has the apparent magnitude of 13.5 N, and as we know, means N is equal to Newton, and as we all know this, so we are not seeing this star very common as such like the Sirius and Alpha Centauri, Proxima Centauri. This star also is named as Wolf because this star has many plasma activities and many different plasma content, like different from the Sun, as it is very different star and third nearest star from the Earth. So now let's talk about the famous star and the brightest star in the solar system or in our sky, that is the Sirius. Sirius contain of the two binary stars or two stars, which of one is dwarf and second is the very big star, but we can't see it as two different stars, but it's only one star because it's nearly 10.2 light years away from the Earth. And Sirius also consists of two stars, that is Sirius A and Sirius B, which are very big enough to look at it. So also now this is over for the today, and please like and share about this video and also subscribe.